Mark, I can't find the milk. Where is it?
Look for the dairy section. Dairy means milk, cheese, yogurt.
There's a special word for that?
Yes, grocery stores have special vocabulary.
I always get lost in grocery stores.
That's normal. Today, we'll learn grocery store English together.
Perfect. I need this.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Jessica. Welcome to Easy English with Kekemu.
Real English, not textbook English.
Today we're learning how to shop for food in English. Quick question. Do you like shopping for food?
Or do you find it confusing?
Tell us in the comments. Okay, first problem. Where is everything?
Don't worry, grocery stores have sections.
Sections?
Yes, each section has different food.
Oh, so it's organized.
Exactly. Let me show you the main sections.
The dairy section. Dairy means milk, cheese, yogurt, butter.
The produce section. Produce means fruits and vegetables.
Oh, so apples and tomatoes are in produce.
Exactly. You're getting it.
The meat section. Beef, chicken, pork, fish.
The bakery section. Bread, cakes, cookies.
And the frozen section. Frozen means very cold, like ice cream.
Now you know where to find everything.
This is so helpful. But what if I still can't find something?
Then ask someone who works there.
What do I say? I always feel shy asking.
It's okay to ask. Use the same phrase from the restaurant. Excuse me, where can I find...
Oh, I know that phrase.
See? You already know it. Listen to this conversation.
Excuse me, where can I find the milk?
The milk is in the dairy section, at the back of the store.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
See? That was easy.
Yes, store workers are always helpful.
People are kind when you ask politely.
You can ask, where can I find the bread? Where can I find the eggs?
Simple question, simple answer.
Now, you found the product, but there are many options.
Yes, why are there 10 types of milk?
I know, it's confusing. Let me help you understand.
Please, I need help with this.
First, size. Small, medium, large.
Or you'll see 1 liter, 2 liters, half a gallon.
Liter and gallon are measurements for liquids.
Okay, so I choose the size I need.
Exactly.
Second, type, whole milk, low-fat milk, skim milk.
Whole milk has more fat. Skim milk has less fat.
Oh, I see. Now it makes sense.
And organic or regular.
Organic means no chemicals. Regular is normal.
Now you can choose the right one for you.
I don't feel confused anymore. Okay, I have my food. Now I need to pay.
You go to the checkout. Checkout means the place where you pay.
What will the cashier say?
Just a few simple things. Don't worry. Hi, did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
No problem. Your total is $23.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Just insert your card here.
That wasn't scary at all.
You did great. See? Simple conversation.
Did you find everything okay? They're asking, was shopping easy?
Just say, yes, thank you. That's all. Last question at checkout. Do you need bags?
They're asking, do you want plastic bags or paper bags?
Listen to this. Do you need bags?
Yes, please, paper bags.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too. Done. I shopped for food in English.
And you used simple, clear English the whole time.
Grocery shopping isn't scary anymore.
No. When you know the words, it's easy.
I actually feel confident now.
That's wonderful, Jessica.
Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? The dairy section. The produce section. Did you find everything okay? Do you need bags?
Excellent. You're ready to shop.
That's grocery store English. Now you can shop with confidence.
Remember, store workers are helpful. Don't be afraid to ask.
Simple English is enough.
Next episode, Phone Call English Conversation.
Subscribe for more English conversations.
See you next time.
Bye.